And this is just a quick update to my last story. It's just a separate article here, and it's talking about what happens to the Supreme Court cases this year because of Antonin Scalia's death. And I just want to scroll down here, and it's talking about how they're considering major challenges to public sector unions, a race-conscious admissions plans at the University of Texas, the first big abortion case since 2007, challenges to voting rights, the Affordable Care Act's contraceptive mandate, and a challenge to Barack Obama's immigration actions. And chances are this is probably not all of the issues that are going to be addressed. Now, and I didn't really touch on this subject too much either, but in case y'all missed it, people can now carry guns at the University of Texas, since that was mentioned up there. It's just something that I wanted to also remind people about, because maybe they don't remember, that one of the biggest supporters of this fake mass shooting in gun-free zones done over by the University of Texas not too long ago, where everybody tried to make fun of it with dildos and fart guns. I'm sure y'all remember all that nonsense. Well, as you can see, it obviously wasn't nonsense, because now these students can carry weapons to protect themselves. Now, whether you agree or disagree with the thing, it's very well possible that this demonstration may have something to do with help pushing this measure into action, because people actually stood up and wanted to go do something and have their voice heard. And another thing that I want to point out to everybody, in case y'all forgot once again, that one of the biggest supporters of this thing, and who was broadcasting this thing live through a mirror, from what I understand it was live anyways, was Pete Santilli. Him and the talk network that he was working for, or was a member of, were the guys who were organizing this whole thing. Alright, the same man who was sitting in jail for all these crimes against the government and all this other crap for going out and doing whatever he did in Oregon, he actually helped make this happen. So it's another thing I just wanted to point out while I have this out there. That's all I got on this story. Just a couple more details I wanted to point out to y'all that I thought were pretty interesting. You guys, thanks for watching, and I will hit you up real soon. I still got a lot more stuff to get to tonight.